Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to expand the RAM, which is called here the memory fusion, on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. So, at first you need to open the settings, right here, and here. Now you need to scroll all the way down. The option which is here is called About Phone. Tap it. Here, RAM capacity. Tap it. And now here, as you can see, we have RAM 4 GB and external RAM 10 GB. Based on the AI algorithm, the system compresses and dynamically exchanges apps memory data in real time, which improves actual memory usage and increases the ability to keep background apps alive. It's called as it's called, it doesn't really matter. Here, as you can see, we have extended RAM. You can disable and enable this option. If you have it here like this, disable, you need to just tap this option to have it enabled. And now here we have this slider. We can have our extended RAM from 1 to 10 GB. Just select your preferred one. I select 10, and this 10 option here is just the maximum value, and it just eats your phone storage. And now to have your options applied, tap Restart Now button over here. Now, as you can see, I have reduced my RAM extension from 10 GB to 9, so that I can now restart my phone. And that's how it works. You need to just enter here these options, select your preferred option, and restart your device. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.